Today, I'd like to give you the ultimate guide to beginning music theory, how to ignite a profound passion for music theory in your child and effectively teach it in your homeschool. Beginning music theory, what is it? Well, beginning music theory is the study of the fundamental elements that make up music. It's the foundation upon which all musical knowledge is built. It's essential for anyone who wants to truly understand and appreciate the art of music. Whether you're a homeschooling parent looking to introduce your children to the world of music or a student eager to take your musical skills to the next level, learning music theory is a crucial step in your journey. If you are a homeschooler looking for ways to easily and affordably include a quality music education in your homeschool, you've come to the right place. This is the Music in Our Homeschool podcast. I'm Gina Mayo, homeschooling mom of 8 and music teacher for over 30 years. What exactly is beginning music theory? Well, it involves the basic concepts and principles that form the foundation of music. It includes understanding how to read music and what makes music work. These concepts are fundamental for anyone learning an instrument, singing, or composing. They provide the tools needed to understand and create your music effectively. Music theory encompasses a wide range of concepts, including musical notation, which is learning how to read and write music, including notes, rests, and symbols. Rhythm, understanding different rhythms, time signatures, and how to keep a steady beat. Scales and keys, learning about major and minor scales, key signatures, and how they're used in music. Intervals, recognizing the distance between notes and how they're used to create harmony. Chords, understanding how chords are built and how chord progressions function in music. Ear training, learning how to distinguish many of the concepts I listed above by ear and write them down. And sight reading, learning how to perform music, whether it's singing or playing an instrument, at first sight without hearing it first. By understanding these fundamental elements of beginning music theory, you'll gain a deeper appreciation for the structure and composition of music, enabling you to analyze, interpret, and even create your own musical works. How to learn music theory. It can be a challenging, yet definitely a rewarding experience. At musicinourhomeschool.com, we offer 3 comprehensive courses designed to help homeschooling families master the basics of music theory. The Beginning Music Theory for Elementary course is part of our Music in Our Homeschool Plus membership, and it's tailored specifically for elementary age students. Through engaging lessons and hands-on interactive activities, young learners will explore the building blocks of music, including learning about note values, rhythms, intervals, and tempo. Learn more about it at musicinourhomeschool.com/membership. Beginning Music Theory for Teens is available for a separate purchase at learn.musicinourhomeschool.com. This course is designed for teenagers who are either new to music theory or need a refresher on the fundamentals. It covers essential topics such as key signatures, scales, chord progressions, ear training, and sight reading, providing a solid foundation for further musical exploration. The third music theory course is Advanced Music Theory for Teens. Included inside the Music in Our Homeschool Plus membership, the Advanced Music Theory for Teens course takes upper-level high school students to the next level of music theory. It delves into more complex concepts like harmonic analysis, modulation, and form, preparing them for advanced musical studies in college and a career in music. When to learn beginning music theory. There's no one-size-fits-all answer when it comes to the best time to start learning music theory. However, many experts recommend introducing basic concepts at an early age, as children's minds are more receptive to learning new skills during their formative years. Kinderbach, available at Music in Our Homeschool, is a fun and easy way to do this for ages 2 through 7. For homeschooling families, incorporating music theory into your curriculum can be a valuable addition to your child's education. Not only does it foster a deeper appreciation for music, but it also develops critical thinking, problem solving, and pattern recognition skills that can benefit other areas of learning. So why should you learn beginning music theory? It offers numerous advantages. 1. Improved musicianship. Music theory provides a solid foundation for developing skills in areas such as sight reading, ear training, and composition. 2. Enhanced performance. Understanding the underlying structure of music can help musicians better interpret and express the emotional and technical nuances of a piece. 3 is increased creativity. With a strong grasp of music theory, students can explore new avenues of creative expression, experimenting with different styles, genres, and compositional techniques. 4 enhances musical understanding. Music theory provides a deeper understanding of how music works. It helps students read music quicker, understand musical structures, and appreciate the complexities of different compositions. 5, it boosts cognitive abilities. Learning music theory involves pattern recognition, memory, and problem-solving skills, all of which enhance cognitive abilities. Research has shown that students who study music theory often perform better in other academic areas. 6, it fosters creativity. With a solid understanding of music theory, students can explore their creativity more freely. They can experiment with different musical ideas, improvise freely, and create their own compositions. 7, it prepares them for advanced studies. For students interested in pursuing music at a higher level, such as in college or professionally, a strong foundation in music theory is essential. Number 8, it provides cultural education. Music theory often involves exploring the historical and cultural context of music, broadening children's horizons, and fostering an appreciation for diversity and cultural heritage. Number 9, it opens up career opportunities. Proficiency in music theory can lead to various career paths in the music industry, such as teaching, music production, composition, performance, and music therapy. Beginning music theory will even enhance learning in other subjects. And here are some examples. 1 is mathematics. Understanding rhythmic values, time signatures, and meter relates directly to fractions, ratios, and patterns in math. Music notation involves counting, subdivisions, and numeric representations that build numeracy skills. Concepts like the circle of fifths demonstrate geometric and arithmetic progressions. Number 2 is language art. Analyzing musical form and phrasing can develop skills in identifying structure and meaning in literature. Learning musical terminology builds vocabulary and understanding of prefixes and suffixes. And recognizing patterns in melodic lines relates to recognizing patterns in poetry and prose. Number 3 is science. The physics of sound, harmonics, and resonance connect to the principles of acoustics and wave behavior in music. Understanding how musical instruments produce sound links to concepts in material science and engineering. Number 4 is history and social studies. Exploring the cultural context and evolution of musical styles provides insights into different societies and time periods. And analyzing how music reflects and influences social movements builds critical thinking skills. Number 5, visual arts. Recognizing patterns, symmetry, and form in musical compositions relates to the principles of visual design and composition. Musical form concepts like theme and variation can be applied to creating variations in art pieces as well. Number 6 is physical education. Rhythm, tempo, and meter instruction develop coordination, motor skills, and mind-body connections. And number 7 is foreign language. Many musical terms are written in Italian, so students will learn what the words mean and how to pronounce them. By integrating music theory concepts across these disciplines, home educators can make learning more engaging, reinforce transferable skills, and help students understand the interconnectedness of different subjects. How to add learning beginning music theory to your homeschool. Learning music theory can be an enjoyable and rewarding experience, especially with the right resources. Here's a few steps to get you started. Number 1 is to enroll in a structured course. A structured course is one of the most effective ways to learn music theory, At Music in Our Homeschool, you can get the Beginning Music Theory for Elementary course included in your Music in Our Homeschool Plus membership. Number 2 is to use interactive tools and apps. There are numerous online tools, websites, and apps designed to make learning music theory fun and interactive. These can supplement your course materials and provide additional practice. Even Duolingo has a new music app, which I've tried, and I agree that it provides excellent practice. Number 3, incorporate games and hands-on activities. Turn music theory concepts into fun games and interactive activities. For example, use flashcards to practice identifying notes, intervals, and chord progressions. Create rhythm games by clapping or tapping out different patterns. You can see my Music Games in the Homeschool podcast. I will link to it in the show notes below for lots of great ideas. Number 4 is to practice with real music. Applying theory to real music helps reinforce the concepts. Encourage your children to analyze their favorite sheet music or songs that they listen to. Depending on their age, they can search for or listen for specific music notes, rests, and symbols, determine key signatures, and identify chords, scales, and rhythms. As they grow in their skills, they'll be able to analyze the chord progressions, time signatures, and melodic patterns in their favorite tunes, making the learning process even more relatable and meaningful. Number 5 is to try composing music with the music theory concepts you're learning. This one's a bit advanced, but it will be a great way for students to actively apply what they are learning. Challenge your student to compose his or her own short melodies or rhythmic patterns based on the music theory concepts they've learned. This hands-on approach reinforces their understanding and fosters creativity. And number 6 is regular review and practice. Regular review and practice are crucial in mastering music theory. It's similar to math in that way. Set aside time each week for music theory lessons and practice to ensure consistent progress, and this can be done by doing worksheets or on apps or listening and practicing ear training and sight singing. In conclusion, beginning music theory is a crucial part of a well-rounded music education. It provides the foundation needed to understand, perform, and create music. For homeschooling families, incorporating music theory into your curriculum can be straightforward and enjoyable with the right resources. By enrolling in our structure courses or the membership at learn.musicinourhomeschool.com, your children can gain a solid understanding of music theory, setting them up for success in their musical journey. Whether you are just starting with our Beginning Music Theory for Elementary course or the Beginning Music Theory for Teens course, or advancing to our Advanced Music Theory for Teens course, we have the resources to support your homeschooling music education needs. Explore our courses today and give your children the gift of music theory knowledge, fostering their creativity and enhancing their creative skills. Let's make music education a joyful and integral part of your homeschooling experience.